Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we discussed integral of f dash x by fx dx equal to log mod fx, and integral of e power x into fx plus f dash x equal to e power x into f of x, and e power kx into k into f of x plus f dash x equal to e power kx into f of x, and fx into gx. These formulae we discussed. On these we will do some just examples or formula derivation from these again. What I want to say is, if I want integral of tan x dx, we did not discuss integral of tan x till now. Integral of tan x dx, how can I write? Integral of tan x is, I can write sin x by cos x dx. Tan x I can write sin x by cos x. Now what is the derivative of cos x? Sin x. So it is nothing but f dash x by fx is nothing but log mod fx. So sin x by cos x, tan x I can write. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So I need minus just. So keep minus inside and outside. So becomes log mod fx, f dash x by fx, log mod fx. So log mod cos x plus c. So if I bring this minus inside, becomes 1 by cos x is secant x. So log mod secant x plus. So integral of tan x is log mod secant x plus. Now by heart the formula integral of tan x is log mod secant x plus. Log mod secant x plus. This is the formula. Don't need to do all this. By heart the formula tan x is log mod secant x. Next, integral of cot x. Same concept. Integral of cot x you can write as cot x is cos x by sin x. Cot x is cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. So it is nothing but derivative of sin x is cos x. There is no minus. So integral of f dash x by fx, log mod fx. So log mod sin x plus. So integral of cot x is log mod sin x plus. Integral of tan x is log mod secant x, but integral of cot x is log mod sin x. So by that these are separate formula. Next, integral of secant x dx. Integral of secant x dx. There are two ways of doing this. One is multiplying numerator denominator with secant x plus tan x. Multiplying numerator denominator with secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x dx. Now what is the numerator? Bracket open. So secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Secant x plus tan x dx. Now derivative of secant x is secant square x is tan x is secant x into tan x. So this is the form of f dash x by fx. F dash x by fx is nothing but log mod fx. So log mod secant x plus tan x. Log mod secant x plus tan x. So by heart this is the formula. Integral of secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x. Log mod secant x plus tan x. And one more way of doing the same sum is write it as 1 by cos. Write it as 1 by cos x dx. Previously we did f dash x by fx. Now how to do this? 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x. Divide numerator and denominator by sin square x. Sin x, so that you can convert into secant and you can do that way. That is another way. So cos x you can write as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Divide both numerator and denominator with cos square x by 2. Becomes secant square x by 2 by 1 by cos square is secant square x by 2 minus 2 into sin square by cos square is tan square x by dx. Now the secant square I can write as 1 plus tan square. So becomes secant square x by 2 dx by secant square you can write as 1 plus tan square. Finally becomes 1 minus tan square x by 2 dx. So this is 1 minus tan square. If I take tan x is t, this becomes dt by 1 minus t square. So 1 by 1 minus t square formula you know. Using the formula 1 by 2a log mod 1 minus t by 1 plus t. So 1 by 2t 2 log mod 1 minus t by log of a square minus x square. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x means 1 plus t by 1 minus t. T is tan x. So becomes 1 by 2 into log mod 1 is tan 45, t is tan x by 2. So finally this becomes tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is another formula you can by heart. So integral of secant x dx, there are two formula. 1 by 2 log mod tan of derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 you will get. So 2 goes to the side into 2. 2 into 2 by 2 gets cancelled. So this is into 2 by 2 gets cancelled. Log mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So this is another formula. Integral of secant x dx equal to log mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So there are two formulae for tan x, secant x. One is log mod secant x plus tan x. Other is log mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Like the same integral of cosecant x. So integral of cosecant x dx, same multiply numerator denominator with cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Now if you expand the numerator becomes cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x dx. So what I want to say is by cosecant x minus cot x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Cot x is derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Minus to minus plus cosecant square x. So this is the form of f dash x by f x. Simply log mod f x. So log mod of cosecant x minus cot x plus. Similarly, you can derive the next formula log mod of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Same method 1 by sin you can write, and sin x you can write as cos 90 minus theta, then cos theta, same procedure previous method. Okay. So there are many ways of doing the same sum. Different formula means different result you will get in integration of that. That's what I told. So if you simplify this, you will get that result. So I will simplify this one. You can write this is 1 by sin, this is 1 by cos. So what cos by sin. So if you take LCM, log mod 1 minus sin x by cos x. If you simplify, you will get that again. This 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So by simplification, you will get log mod tan of pi by 4 minus x by 4 x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. So there are many ways of doing the same thing. So the result is only this. Integral of secant x is log mod secant x plus c or log mod tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 plus c. Next. Like this you can use f dash x by f x. So if it is numerator is derivative of the denominator, you can simply write log mod f x. That's it. If it is 1 by 1 plus x square dx, sorry, x by 1 plus x square dx, how to solve? Derivative of 1 plus x square is, you know, 2x. So I need into 2 by 2. Then this is in the form of f dash into fx, log mod fx. So becomes log mod 1 plus x square plus into x. So if you know this formula, you can do this simply. Tan x cot x like this. Derivative f dash x by fx method. Okay. Next formula we discussed is integral of e power x into fx plus f dash x equal to e power x into fx plus e power x into fx plus c. For this we can take this example. E power x into sin x plus cos x. Simple example. E power x into sin x plus cos x dx. E power x into sin x plus cos x dx. How to solve? This is to observe. Sin x derivative is cos x. So this is fx. This is f dash x. This is fx. This is f dash x. So this is the form of e power x into fx plus f dash x. Directly we can write e power x into fx is nothing but e power x into sin x plus. This proof we already discussed, so no need of proof now, just directly I am using formula. E power x into fx plus f dash x is e power x into fx plus c, that's it. So e power x into sin x. Like this, we can take any example. E power x into tan x plus secant square x dx. So derivative of tan x is secant square x. So you can write e power x into tan x plus e power x into tan x plus. Next one. X into e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. How to solve? Exercise C sums. These are. X into e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. How to solve? Same method if you observe. You need to convert this into this form. Then you can get direct answer. Because you have e power x. So try to convert into this form, then you can easily do. So e power x into x by 1 plus x whole square you have. E power x into x by 1 plus x whole square you have. Now, if I add 1 and subtract 1, what happens? Plus 1 minus 1. And split into 2 parts. What I want to say is e power x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So that this gets cancelled for 1 time. So this is 1 by 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this is fx, this is f dash x. So final answer, direct answer is e power x into fx. That is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. E power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. E power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. If you observe, it is not in the form of fx plus f dash x. But if you convert into the form, you will get. So using trigonometry, I will do this. Observe. So this is 1 minus sin x. Sin x I can write as sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And 1 minus cos x I can write as 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x I can write as 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to integral of e power x into, this is 1 by 2 sin square x by 2. If I am splitting into 2 parts, 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 minus 1 sin and sin cancel, 2 cancel. So cos by sin is left out. So cos x by 2, other way 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by cos 2 sin square x by 2. What I want to say is 1 sin cancel, 2 cancel. Cos by sin is cot. So this is e power x into 1 by 2 sin square is nothing but 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by sin square is cosecant square. Here 2 cancel, cos by sin is cot minus cot x by 2. So what is the derivative of cot x by 2? Minus cosecant square x by 2 into inner derivative 1 by 2. So this is minus, so minus of minus plus. So this is fx, this is f dash x. So this is the form of e power x into fx only. So e power x fx, that is e power x into minus cot x, minus and before, minus e power x cot x by 2 plus minus e power x into cot x by 2 plus c is our final answer. So always try to convert it whenever you find e power x, is not compulsory. There is no guarantee that you will use this. If it is in that form, if you try to convert into that form, then you can write that. Okay. I will give one more which you cannot write in the form. E power x into sin x is there. Always if e power x is there, don't think that you can convert like this. Majority of the cases you can convert. But in some cases which you cannot convert, we will discuss that. Using those sums you can do using fxgx. Those sums you can do using fxgx. Integral of fx into gx dx form like what? Fx into integral of dx minus integral of f dash x into integral of dx dx whole dx. With this one example we did tan inverse x. Like the same, if we have e power x into sin x dx, e power x into sin x dx. How to do it? Let it be some iteration and take I. E power x into sin x, because it won't be reduced, it will be iterated. But according to Euler rule, we know this is fx, this is g of x. Trigonometry comes from first exponential is always g of x. So fx into means sin x into integral of dx e power x dx minus integral of f dash x, derivative of sin x is cos x, into integral of dx e power x dx whole dx. So this is equal to sin x into integral of e power x is e power x minus integral of e power x into cos x dx. Integral of e power x is e power x into cos x. Again fx dx observe. Again fx into dx here because it won't be reduced, that's why I took it as I. So this is equal to sin x into e power x minus fx into gx. Fx is cos x into integral of dx is e power x dx. So shall I write directly? So e power x itself minus integral of derivative of cos x is minus. So this is minus to minus plus, again minus cos x derivative is minus. So minus cos x derivative minus sin x integral of e power x is e power x dx whole dx. So directly I wrote. Now this is I itself. This is I itself. So what I want to say is sin x into e power x minus cos x into e power x minus I. This I goes to that side, becomes 2i. So what I want to say is 2i equal to e power x sin x minus e power x cos x. E power x sin x minus e power x cos x. So I equal to this 2 comes inside 1 by 2. E power x if I take common sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. Write down this first. Now, one more I would like to give you here. If it is, you try this e power ax into sin dx. Sin dx. Instead of x you have a, that's it. Instead of b you have this x, you have sin x, you have sin dx. So if you simplify, you will get a formula like this. 1 by a square plus b square 1 by a square plus b square into e power ax. So e power ax by a square plus b square into, like sin x you have here is a sin bx minus b cos bx. A sin bx minus b cos bx. So this is the final result. If you try using fxgx and same procedure if you follow, you will get integral of e power ax into sin bx dx is e power ax by x a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Similarly, if it is integral of e power ax into cos bx equal to integral of e power ax into cos bx equal to, you derive, you will get e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus b sin bx. a cos dx plus b sin dx. So derive this better always. Don't remember, just derive. And now you by heart this as two formulas. First derive, then by heart. Very important formula. E power x into cos dx. So how to derive? Same procedure I told. E power ax fx into cos dx into integral of e power ax by a minus in directly I am writing. I am not taking no steps. Now integral derivative of cos dx. What is the derivative of cos dx? Minus sin dx into b. Here it is into b. Into integral of e power x is e power x by a dx. So this is equal to cos dx into e power x by a plus b by a into again fx into sin dx into integral of e power x by a minus integral of derivative of sin x cos dx into b into integral of e power x by a. So this is minus b by a into I. Bring on to that side. So this is b by a into b by a. B square by a square if I open the brackets. So bring it on to this side. I plus b square by a square into I equal to e power ax into cos dx by a plus b by a square into sin dx into e power ax. So this is, if I take I common, this becomes I into a square plus b square by a square. So this is equal to a square LCM and e power ax common. E power ax by a into becomes a cos dx plus b sin dx. 1 cancel and this a square plus b square to that side. Becomes I equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos dx plus b sin dx. Hence proved. That only I gave the formula. One more example we will do on this side. This fx dx. Integral of tan inverse of dx minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square dx. Integral of tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square dx. How to solve? Our substitution along with this will do this. Let x equal to tan theta. Let x equal to tan theta. What is dx? Dx equal to derivative of tan theta is secant square theta d theta. Now integral of tan inverse of, this is 3 tan theta minus tan cube by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. Into, instead of dx I can write secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta d theta. Tan inverse tan cancel. 3 outside. So theta into secant square theta d theta. So now fx dx. Same formula. Fx into, so 3 into theta into integral of dx. Integral of dx is secant square theta d theta minus integral of f dash x. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 into integral of secant square theta d theta whole d theta whole dx. This d theta here. So this is equal to 3 theta. Integral of secant square theta is tan theta minus integral of tan theta d theta is equal to 3 theta tan theta minus integral of tan theta, just now we discussed it, log mod secant theta plus. So this is equal to back substitution 3 into theta is tan inverse x. So 3 tan inverse x into tan theta is x minus log mod secant theta. Secant theta we can write in terms of tan, root of 1 plus tan square theta, that is root of 1 plus x square plus is the final answer. V belongs to both sides. This is 3 into bracket. So instead of keeping bracket back, open the bracket. 3 into 3 into. Next, same method we will do one more. Integral of log x dx. So I can write 1 into log x. Now we use fx dx. Log x is fx, 1 is gx. So becomes log x into integral of 1 dx is x minus integral of f dash x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x into integral of dx. 1 dx is x whole dx. So x cancel. So becomes x log x minus integral of 1 dx is x. This is how we do fx dx. Fx into dx. Next, integral of x into sin square x dx. Integral of x into sin square x dx. How to solve? Same fx into gx. Here, this is fx, this is gx here. But integral of sin square you don't know. That's why we will write sin square x as first 1 minus cos 2x by 2, trigonometry. Then we will do this. So x into 1 minus cos 2x whole by 2 into dx. If you open the brackets, 1 by 2 into integral of x dx minus integral of 1 by 2 into x into cos 2x dx. Now this is fx dx. This is the formula. So half into x square by 2 minus half into fx dx. Fx into integral of dx, integral of cos 2x dx minus integral of f dash x, derivative of x is 1 into integral of cos 2x is minus sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2. So becomes 1 by 2 right outside dx. So this is equal to x square by 4 minus 1 by 2 into x into integral of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So this becomes sin 2x, this is 4. Minus into minus plus 1 by 4 into integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x. So this becomes again minus cos 2x by 2. So becomes this is 8 plus चलो